This is the Sedimentology Laboratory, and here we study different natural materials to see what kind of minerals are in these samples. I think everybody knows that X-rays do not reflect but penetrate the material. However, if the X-rays consist of one wavelength and the material is crystalline, this means that the atoms are in a repetitive pattern. Some of the X-rays return from the material. This is when the angle with which the X-rays hit the sample satisfies Bragg's law. It's surprisingly how much material is crystalline, especially in geological samples like rocks and sediments and soil. What we do here is sending copper X-rays to our samples, and then we measure how much of the X-rays diffract to the detector and then compare this with our database. This allows us to determine what kind of minerals are in our samples, for instance quartz or feldspars, clay minerals.
With the laser diffraction particle size analyzer, we use the laser to measure particle size distribution in soils and sediments. The laser is bound by diffraction in different angles depending on the size of the particles. Thus, from that angle, we can calculate the size of the particles. Particle distribution can be used, for example, to predict soil stability or liquid behavior in soils.